Today I'll teach you how to set session in JavaScript using jQuery in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. Now inside the person model. So here I have added two properties, name and date time. Now let's move to the view. Inside the view, I'm creating an HTML text box which will accept the name value. Then I'm creating a button, and when this button is clicked, the jQuery AJAX call will be made to the server side method. So now I have inherited the jQuery minified file and will start writing a jQuery code. So first I'm adding the document ready event handler, and inside that I'll assign a click event handler to the button. Now inside the click event handler, I am calling the jQuery AJAX function. The very first attribute is type, and I'm setting it as post. So the next property is URL property, and here I'll be setting the controller action method. In the data attribute, I am setting the value of the name parameter, and the value of the name parameter is fetched from the name text box. Then I am specifying the content type, which is application/JSON, as the format of the data we are sending is in JSON format. The next property is data type. This is used to specify the type of data we will receive. So the type of data we'll receive is also JSON. Now inside the success event handler, I am displaying the value of the name and also the value of the date time returned from the server side action method inside a JavaScript alert message box. The next event handler is to handle failure, and here simply the response text is displayed in JavaScript alert message box. In similar way, I am creating an handler for handling error, and here also the response text will be displayed in JavaScript alert message box. Now let's move to the controller. Here I am adding a controller for handling the jQuery AJAX call. As you can see, the return type is JSON result, as we are returning a JSON object. Also, you will notice that I am accepting a parameter name, and this particular parameter will be sent from the client side using jQuery AJAX. I'll be creating a session object, and I'm setting the value of the name parameter. I am creating an object of person model class. In the name property, I am setting the session value, and in the date time property, I am setting the current date time. Finally, I am returning the person model class object after wrapping it inside the JSON function. Now I am decorating this particular action method with HTTP post attribute, as it will be handling the HTTP post call. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. The label, the text box and the button has been rendered. So now I'll type in my name in the text box, and I'll click on the button. As you can see, my name as well as the current date time from the server is being displayed in JavaScript alert message box. With this, we come to the end of this video. So today we learned how to set session in JavaScript using jQuery in ASP.NET MVC. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.